Abigail says he's dying, Dutch. We'll have to stop someplace.
Okay. Arthur's out looking. I sent him up ahead.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be dying. This weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
There! Arthur! Any luck?
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let Davy rest while he... You know. An old mining town. Abandoned. It ain't far. Come on. Come on! Yeah!
Bring him in here!
Miss Gaskell, get that fire lit, quick. Miss Jones, bring in whatever blankets we have. Mr. Pearson, see what we've got in terms of food.
Davy's dead.
There was nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here, and you were gonna get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Micah scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're gonna ride out, see if we can find one of them. And this, just for a short bit. And I don't see what other choice we have. Listen. Listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny, Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground, in their stead, I'd do it, gladly. But we are gonna ride out, and we are gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong. Stay with me. We ain't done yet. Come on, Arthur.
All right. We've got some work to do.
We ain't run into them yet, so they both must have headed down the hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask. What really went down back there on that boat?
We missed you. That's what happened. Come on. Oh.
Hey, you need horses?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand.
I'll live.
Get indoors, son. We need you strong.
Okay.
Et salut à tous, c'est Kenzo et aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour le premier épisode du let's play sur Red Dead Redemption 2. Bon, alors ça commence à voir avec une longue cinématique comme dans le 1, un peu moins longue que le 1, parce que vraiment le 1 c'était très long, mais là... Oh là là, mais qu'est-ce qu'il est beau ce jeu! Dire qu'il a plus de 6 ans. Et franchement, il est toujours aussi clean. Hein. C'est une dinguerie. Hein.
Take it easy.
J'avais vraiment hâte de vous faire ce let's play, surtout après celui du premier Red Dead Redemption 1, enfin du premier Red Dead Redemption.
He's the last one, Arthur. No.
Donc je vais éviter, contrairement aux autres let's play que j'ai pu faire, je vais éviter de trop parler pendant les cinématiques. Je pense que j'ai parlé beaucoup moins. Je vais vous montrer le son peut-être pendant les cinématiques pour que vous soyez un peu plus immergé dans le jeu. Bon là j'avoue que je parle sur les dialogues mais bon. Fallait bien que je fasse mon intro à un moment ou à un autre.
You up ahead. Who's there? Micah.
Gentlemen,
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me. How's Davy doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's too bad. Davy was a real fighter. Both of them count.
Donc alors là le contexte du jeu en fait c'est que la bande là de Dutch sort d'un braquage. Donc la même bande dont John nous parlait dans Red Dead Redemption 1. Et là on incarne Arthur Morgan qui n'était lui pas présent sur les lieux. Donc la bande a dû se réfugier dans les montagnes parce que c'était un échec total ce braquage. Et voilà quoi, c'est la galère, là on doit trouver de la nourriture, des provisions pour pouvoir survivre.
You'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere too. Hey, Arthur, let me take the rear. You move up.
Donc là ouais, dans ce jeu on peut faire beaucoup d'interactions, pas juste avec les personnages mais surtout avec les PNJ dans le jeu et vraiment c'est peut-être magnifique, franchement c'est... Les PNJ on a vraiment l'impression qu'ils sont presque vivants en fait dans le jeu. C'est ça qui est vraiment incroyable. Tu peux les retrouver et tout mais enfin... C'est vraiment mais... Le travail qu'il y a eu sur ce jeu, il est vraiment mais abusé quoi.
Shelter. So, this house, you speak to the people there already? No. Okay, let's keep it down now, gentlemen. It's just up ahead.
Snuff and stash those.
Alors, on est arrivé vers le ranch.
Okay. Let's head down there.
Et franchement, ce Red Dead Redemption 2, il surpasse de loin le premier. Mais sur tous les points. Déjà l'histoire elle est 2 fois plus longue, voire plus, enfin... Ouais je n'ai pas les mots en fait pour décrire ce jeu. Même l'entente avec le cheval dans le jeu. Vraiment il y a vraiment une plus grosse entente avec les chevaux qu'on peut créer. En fait on peut vraiment créer des véritables liens d'affection.
Let me handle this. We don't want to spook these fine people.
Puis là on va suivre Dutch, hein, qui est le mec qu'on bute à la fin de Red Dead Redemption 1. C'est le dernier mec qu'on doit traquer.
Sounds like quite the party.
You two, get yourself out of sight. One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than 3 nasty-looking degenerates. Arthur, in that cattle shed on the left. Micah,
Alors nous on va se cacher dans le petit abri là. Là on est avec Micah qui lui va se cacher derrière un espèce de chariot. Je sais pas à quoi il a servi mais bon.
Hello? Shut up, Billy. Excuse me. Hello? Oh, well, Hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm.
Alors là, déplacer la caméra avec Mika.
Gentlemen,
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks
Arthur,
dying on the
Arthur,
trail.
we got a problem. There's a corpse right here.
Now, I just
Arthur.
need
Il y a un putain de cadavre sur le chariot.
In the wagon.
something.
I hear you. Just
Gentlemen,
Alors, on va sortir le revolver Catleman.
Dutch.
I think you should go now, buddy.
Ils sont beaucoup, hein. Et là,
now,
on
friend.
tire. Là-haut. Là, du coup, on est au début du jeu, donc voilà, du coup, on n'a pas encore le sang-froid et tout pour rendre les gunfights un peu plus. Il y en a un qui se tire, il s'échappera pas.
Didn't seem to be going too well.
Goddamn O'Driscoll boys here. Wow.
Et donc là, on a affronté les O'Driscoll, qui est un gang rival au nôtre.
Bring the horses closer to the house. Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Smells like a party in here.
Alors dans ce jeu, on peut récupérer beaucoup de provisions, comme dans le 1, sauf que là vraiment les provisions, il y en a vraiment beaucoup plus. Vraiment, il y a vraiment... c'est presque un gameplay RP quoi. Dans ce jeu, il faut qu'on se nourrisse, pouvoir remonter nos noyaux que vous pouviez en voir en bas à gauche, au-dessus de la map. Par exemple là j'ai toute la jauge, c'est ma santé, et le noyau, en fait c'est ce qui fait ma santé en fait. Et si le noyau il est vide, bah déjà je meurs. Mais ma santé en fait remonte beaucoup moins vite s'il est faible. Alors que là s'il est élevé, elle va remonter beaucoup plus vite ma jauge de santé. Donc voilà. Là je peux ouvrir la sacoche en restant appuyé sur la flèche de droite. Là on peut vraiment récupérer beaucoup de choses. On va manger hein, histoire de bien mettre son noyau
One, all right.
à un bon niveau.
Hiding up here too.
Parce qu'on va vraiment bien fouiller.
Stockholm O'Driscoll's hat. Nearly as big as the one on yours.
Même si après dans le jeu quand on est riche, moi je fais plus acheter que voler, mais bon. Pour le début on va voler le plus qu'on peut hein.
Place is dry, warm. We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Maybe.
Et franchement dans ce jeu il y a beaucoup de détails auxquels il faut faire attention. Ça peut vraiment être dans la mission quoi. Enfin vous verrez, de toute façon vous verrez en temps voulu, parce que là je vais pas tout vous... Je risque de tout vous spoil là si je vous dis tout, mais bon.
In the wagon outside.
Et ça c'est pas c'est pas dans mon intérêt de vous spoil le jeu. À part si vous le connaissez déjà hein. Mais bon ceux qui le connaissent déjà n'ont pas besoin de savoir. On va monter en haut à l'échelle.
I'm going to start packing the horses. You keep looking.
Il peut où le cadavre du gars que j'avais tué là-haut? J'avais tué un mec. Bon bah c'est pas grave, on va prendre des guides d'avoine. Et des balles pour revolver. Parce que là on en a que 42, c'est pas énorme hein. On peut en avoir beaucoup plus. Surtout si on achète les... Comme dans le 1 en fait, si vous achetez la cartouchière qui a permis d'augmenter notre stock de munitions, bah là aussi on va pouvoir s'acheter une cartouchière pour augmenter le stock de munitions. Donc j'ai vraiment hâte qu'on puisse acheter tout ça. Et surtout des meilleures armes, parce que les armes du début c'est vraiment pas... c'est vraiment pas ce qu'il y a de mieux quoi.
Micah, Arthur, keep looking for stuff. Arthur, go see if there's anything in that barn.
Alors dans la grange.
Search the cabin, see what we missed.
Sure.
Ce jeu est vraiment plus lent que le 1 hein. Donc Red Dead Redemption 2 c'est vraiment un jeu avec lequel on doit prendre son temps.
Bastard shot my cousin. Well, he started it. I'm gonna break your neck.
Allez. Alors dans ce jeu les combats au corps à corps sont vraiment très bien faits, ils sont magnifiques, il y a vraiment un tas d'animations. C'est ça que j'aime bien. Y'a rien qui veut Ah, je peux pas? Ah merde. Normalement, je peux choper le mec et tout, je peux même l'étrangler et tout, je peux faire vraiment faire des trucs incroyables. Vous voyez vraiment comment il le prend pour vraiment le... Pour le défoncer quoi à main nue, c'est vraiment magnifique.
No. Not yet.
Vous pouvez même voir que mon chapeau est tombé en plus. Hein. Qui n'arrivait pas dans Red Dead Redemption 1. Sur Red Dead Redemption 1, le chapeau il était vissé sur la tête. Alors, on y va à manière un peu bourrine, on y va un peu plus manière persuasion, on est un peu plus calme. Bon, franchement, j'ai pas aimé l'attaque surprise donc.
Where's Colm O'Driscoll? With the others. At an old mining camp southwest of here. Near the lake.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks. I don't know more than that, I swear.
Oh le mytho.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done. Oh.
I don't know anything
Bon. Alors les gars, je l'ai épargné. Et c'est normal. En fait les gars, dans le jeu, selon les actions que vous faites, vous allez faire monter ou descendre une jauge d'honneur. Ça c'était déjà présent dans Red Dead Redemption 1. Dans Red Dead Redemption 2, ça avait plus grande importance. Mais bon, je vais pas vous dire pourquoi. Vous le saurez bien assez tôt. Alors là, on va apprivoiser un cheval. Donc là, on approche tout doucement. On le caresse. Dès que le lien d'affection il est créé, comme vous avez pu le voir en haut à gauche, on le guide. Et vraiment la map elle est beaucoup plus grande que dans Red Dead Redemption 1. Elle est vraiment immense celle-ci. Là on est perdu dans les montagnes, dans la tempête, mais vous allez voir après comment tous les décors qu'on va découvrir tellement variés. Qu'est-ce qui se passe à l'intérieur?
Leave her alone!
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Michael. Look at her. Miss, are you...
Oh, you fool! Michael!
Miss, now, it is gonna be okay. We mean you no harm. Miss, come on. It'll be okay. We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on now. Oh. You okay, miss?
They came 3 days ago. And my husband, they...
Okay. Miss, you are safe now. And you can't stay here. You come with us. Arthur.
Miss, it's okay. We're bad men. We ain't them. It's okay. Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss? Miss.
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler. Mrs. He was my husband.
Hey! Somebody's coming! Looks like it's Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back!
How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up? Give her a drink or something? And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will show you the way. Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.
He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
He's strong, and he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but...
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape again.
He ain't been seen in 2 days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the 2 best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're pretty worried about him.
I know. The situation were reversed. He looked for me.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know, John was headed up the river.
For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back.
He wouldn't leave. Not like that.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Smoke. Come on, let's take a look.
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
Well, seems somebody left. Recently.
Et ben on est parti pour on est parti à la recherche de John, on dirait. Le fameux John Marston. Comme vous avez pu voir, vous avez dû reconnaître beaucoup de personnages. Du coup là on est avec Javier, le mec qu'on avait traqué au Mexique dans Red Dead Redemption 1. Oh le blizzard, il est terrible, on voit rien.
No, Pinkertons. It was crazy. Raining bullets. Watch out for this crevice.
On peut voir qu'il y a une petite crevasse, on va faire attention. Tenez là on a la vue première personne. Qui est vraiment magnifique. Je trouve qu'elle est meilleure que dans GTA 5.
Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Bad business, all right.
Là on va activer la fameuse vue cinéma.
Damn snow's coming in hard again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast.
Et là on se croirait vraiment dans un film.
Watch yourself. It's not very wide here.
Come on, boy. Horses are struggling.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. I mean, we can't follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Almost there, boy. Come on now.
Hey, look! Over there! You see that?
Il y a un truc là-bas.
John was riding that horse when we left Blackwater. Let's see if he can hear us.
Ah ouais, c'est vraiment mais c'est vraiment dégueulasse mais à la fois tellement bien fait. Oh!
Come on! Up there! He's coming from up ahead somewhere. I don't think we can go much further on the horses. We have to walk from here.
Alors du coup ouais, dans ce Red Dead Redemption 2 ce qui est spécial, c'est qu'on peut pas porter 25 armes et tout. On a des armes qu'on peut porter sur nous, comme là, on a pas beaucoup d'emplacement. Et les autres armes on les laisse sur le cheval en fait, donc on est pas à côté de notre cheval, je peux pas, là par exemple je peux plus récupérer mon revolver Catleman, là j'ai pris le fusil à canon C, si je veux récupérer le revolver Catleman, il faut que je retourne là et qu'il le reprenne. Mais bon je vais rester sur le canon scié. Regardez, on peut voir son cheval en train de chier, c'est magnifique les petits détails comme ça. Oh putain c'est chaud quand même ici hein.
You sure about this?
It's coming from this way.
Okay.
It's slippery, be careful. Yeah, that we're high up here.
You're telling me.
Oh ouais. Ouais. Là vous pouvez voir que mon énergie est en bas à gauche, donc là c'est mon énergie l'éclair, donc c'est l'endurance tout mon bonhomme. Et là on peut voir que le... Voilà, le noyau commence un peu à se vider. Donc on va peut-être bientôt commencer à manger pour pouvoir restaurer ce noyau.
Okay, good now.
Watch your step.
Alors donc là on peut voir, regardez en bas, voilà, ce qui me fait bien monter mon énergie, mon noyau d'énergie, et ce qui me fait pas trop monter. Donc là on peut voir que les haricots rouges en conserve, ça me fait bien monter, donc on va manger ça.
Stay close to the wall. Up this way. Come on. That sounds closer now. Come on. We're coming, John!
Allez, escalade. Et il faut aller le chercher le John, c'est abusé hein.
Let's keep moving then. Come on. John, can you hear me?
Marston.
On va essayer d'appeler John en criant dans la montagne.
That's John. We're coming.
Ok, on a entendu, on l'a entendu.
fella's there.
All right. Hot down, Marston.
He's down here.
That's quite a scratch you got there.
Never thought I'd say this, but
Ah là là.
good to see you, Arthur Morgan.
Sur la fameuse cicatrice de John, iconique sur son visage.
You don't look so good.
Il vient tout juste de se la prendre là.
Freezing.
Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Come on, compadre. Well, we can't go back the way we came. Let's try this way.
Ain't you a sorry sight?
Can't argue with you there.
See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this.
Sure you did.
You alright?
I think so.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out.
Ah là là, les fameux loups retournent chercher leur proie.
Perfect. You head for the horses. I'll keep John's friends off until you're clear.
Alright, John, come on. Let's get you on that horse.
Donc on va se les faire ces loups. Et d'ailleurs ce jeu propose une bande son simplement incroyable. Wouah, il me bouffe. Je vous dis heureusement que j'ai pris le fusil à canoncier là. Je prenais le revolver. Là, je pense que j'aurais bien un peu plus galéré. On ne dispresse pas, allez Ravière.
Come on then. Let's get back to the others.
Dire qu'à ce moment-là, Ravière avait sauvé John.
I don't feel too good.
You'll be fine. It's just like a dog bite.
Knew a fella, got bit by a dog, died an hour later.
You ain't gonna die. Not yet. More coming down the hill.
Quelle efficacité quand même, ce gun. Il est vraiment mais trop bien.
Shit, there's more on the right. We got more wolves on the left.
Le seul petit inconvénient, je trouve que qu'il y a un sacré manque de munitions. Et là, je fais n'importe quoi, mais je trouve qu'il y a un sacré manque de munitions dans dans le chargeur de l'arme. Mais bon, quand il y a pas beaucoup de cibles, ça va en vrai.
Don't think so. Jesus. You still with us, Marston?
Just about.
You're gonna be okay. We have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time.
And Arthur always says, I'm lucky.
None of us are lucky right now. We should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose the
Voilà,
scent.
pour masquer notre odeur. Eh, il est malin, Ravière. Il est malin.
We're gonna need to come up with a better story for that scar.
Il est malin. Je comprends pourquoi j'ai eu du mal à l'attraper au Mexique. Dans Red Dead Redemption 1.
Here, let's cross to the left.
Yeah, come on. Let's push hard and get back.
See those buildings up ahead, John? That's where we camped. Nearly there. Come on! Someone help John down off this horse.
Can we get some help here? Can we get some help? We need some help here.
Come on, help him down.
You're alive! You're alive!
Here we go. There we go. Aye, careful.
Oh, le John. Ah, il souffre.
Come on, let's get you warm. Thank you both. This is a new low, even by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank you.
You got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. I suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that civilization?
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss, let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
Tout ça pour qu'on nous dise que 4 fois merci. Je suis un peu déçu, hein.
We've been running for weeks. We found shelter and been resting here in some old abandoned mining town while we wait the thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.
Alors du coup on est dans notre petit on est dans notre petite chambre au camp là pour commencer le jeu, donc on va aller fouiller ce qu'il y a. Fouiller tiroir. Un tonique entamé. Vous pensez déjà le maximum autorisé pour cet objet. Ouais, du coup après dans le jeu on va pouvoir obtenir de meilleures sacoches qui nous permettront de pouvoir transporter beaucoup plus d'objets. Fouiller le tiroir, alors il y a quoi là? J'ai oublié. Des galettes d'avoine. Et un fortifiant miracle. Entamé, bon c'est pas ce qu'il y a de mieux mais c'est pas mal. Et y a rien.
We had a bit of bad luck, but then the storm covered our tracks, so now we wait a bit, and we go back to Blackwater, and we get our money, or we get some more money.
Bon, on va aller faire la petite mission de Bill Williamson qui est juste à côté.
Up with you boys because I thought you liked action. Couple of days on the lam, and you lot have all turned yellow. Apart from you, of course.
Shut up, Micah.
I ain't never seen so many long faces. I guess folks miss them. I fell, but when I fall, I don't want no fuss.
When you fall, there'll be a party.
Party? Probably. That funny, huh? Sure. I don't feel like being laughed at by the likes of you two.
Stop it! Now! You fools punching each other when Colm O'Driscoll's needing punching hard. You want to sit around waiting for him to come find us? All of you, we got work to do. Come on.
Are you sure about this, Dutch?
Yes.
Folks been through a lot recently. We hardly back on our feet yet.
And the last thing we need is to get bushwhacked by Colm O'Driscoll. Let's go.
I know you hate him, Dutch.
He's here for us.
I doubt that.
No, you're just doubting me.
I would never doubt you, Dutch. You always said revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
This is the right call, Arthur. Take this. And this is about more than revenge for business long ago. They were talking about trains and detonators here. Colm always had good information. Come on.
And you think now is the right time to hit a train?
Now you might fancy living on deer piss and rabbit shit. I'm getting too old for that life. Mr. Matthews, Mr. Smith, Mr. Pearson, would you please look after the place? There are O'Driscolls about. Yeah!
Bon bah allez, on va se faire quelques O'Driscoll cette fois-ci.
Follow the main trail southwest. They're camped near some lake.
Okay, let's go find these bastards before they find us and rob this store they're planning. What's that? Tracks. Horses, quite a few of them.
Ok, donc on voit des empreintes.
As I can tell, the only fools out here are us.
C'est plutôt bon signe.
They must be this way.
You good, Dutch?
Of course. Listen, I know you don't think much of my ideas recently, but this is the right move.
Okay. You know I got your back.
I learned a long time ago that you hit Colm O'Driscoll. Wait for him, and people you love will die.
This feud between you and him needs to be put to rest, one way or another.
It will be.
Some things I can forgive, others I can forget. What he did to Hannibal, I can't do neither.
You killed his brother, Dutch.
Yes, I did.
Ouais, du coup, en fait, il y a vraiment une vraie, un vrai passé assez profond entre Dutch, le chef de notre bande, et de Colm O'Driscoll, le chef de la bande des O'Driscoll. Donc, il y en a, il a buté sa femme, et il y en a l'autre qui a tué son frère, vous voyez, donc c'est un peu chaud, quoi.
All right, gentlemen. This is it. Are we goddamn ready?
Ready, Dutch.
Good. Now, Mr. Morgan and I, we're gonna head up here a little, see if we can't get a sense of the layout of the camp. Mr. Williamson, Mr. Bell, you two take up a hidden position just outside the camp. Mr. Summers, Mr. Escuela, you two hold position here. Let's go.
Allez, on va observer un peu le camp.
There they are. That's definitely them.
Home?
I think so.
Yeah, that's him.
Who's he talking to? He don't seem very happy.
No.
They leaving?
Seem to be. Should we go get them?
No. Colm can wait. Best to get some of them out of there.
Donc là on peut voir Colm ici, donc le chef de la bande des O'Driscoll juste ici.
All right, let's go pay our old friends a visit.
Allez, ils sont pas prêts pour ce qui va leur arriver. Hein. Mais ils sont pas prêts du tout. Ah d'ailleurs les gars, on va prendre un petit fusil en plus.
You two get up there and keep us covered.
You got it, Dutch.
Good.
Hop là, la petite carabine à répétition.
We'll circle around the far side and go down that way, same as Micah and Bill. Like you said, revenge is a luxury.
Et on peut même faire la vue cinéma à pied les gars, même à pied. Hein. Il y a des petits plans cinéma qui sont vraiment magnifiques.
Arthur, have you completely lost faith in me? Our needs right now are supplies, equipment, and a way out of here. Everything else, including Colm, can wait.
Okay.
There's enough of those bastards down there to deal with as it is. Now, come on. watch out. This bit's steep.
Alors, on s'approche du camp. Et on commence à entendre des voix. Donc vous pouvez voir là, sur la minimap, bah, on les voit pas vraiment, mais sur les bords, on peut voir des petits points gris. Et ça, c'est nos coéquipiers. Et surtout ce que j'aime bien sur la map, c'est qu'il y a une boussole qui est déjà incorporée en fait. Et on sait qu'on va vers le sud, là on voit que là-bas c'est l'ouest, là-bas c'est l'est, et derrière nous c'est le nord. Alors, on va ouvrir. Du coup j'ai pris ça, ok on va prendre la carabine. Je te montre pas.
So, what are we doing, Dutch? I can take this if you want.
Just make the call. You want to take the lead? Go.
J'engage la fusillade.
Okay, I'll go first.
Bon, on va commencer par lui. Wouh! Avec les petits slow motion aussi, ils sont beaux. Alors les gars, les gunfights sont tellement plus réalistes, comme vous pouvez voir, la caméra elle tremble en fait. Et c'est parce que vraiment, du coup, on n'est pas stable quand on tire en fait, c'est tout. Après, ça va être assez facile de viser, hein, trop sur les yeux. Bon, dès que ça tremble, ça sert à rien d'essayer de tirer. Hein. Vous voyez, comme vous pouvez voir, quand je vise, il y a un petit cercle là qui se rétrécit jusqu'à mon pointeur en fait. Et c'est en fait plus il est rétréci le petit cercle, plus il est précis en fait. Mieux vaut attendre qu'il se rétrécisse et on tire. Pour un maximum de précision. Oh, en train de recharger la balle et tout, c'était magnifique. Donc on va aussi fouiller les corps pour pouvoir récupérer des provisions. Sans si on pouvait le faire dans le 1. C'est une bonne technique pour pouvoir récupérer des super trucs. Comme là je peux récupérer du tabac, chiquer, vraiment de l'argent en plus. Oh, il y a encore des coups de feu. Et là les gars, on a débloqué le sang-froid. Bon alors, c'est le sang-froid niveau 1, du coup je peux pas choisir qu'est-ce que je marque avec les cibles ou pas. Donc ouais, donc c'est le premier sang-froid, c'est pas le plus efficace. Mais il s'améliorera donc au fil de notre aventure. Ah, j'étais sur lui là, abuse pas. Oh là là. La roue des armes. Alors qu'est-ce qu'ils veulent nous faire consommer? Ils veulent nous faire consommer un fortifiant pour sang-froid. Et donc les fortifiants les gars, ça fait remonter notre jauge. Et pas notre noyau comme vous avez pu voir en bas à gauche. Bien évidemment, nos jauges on va pouvoir les augmenter. Hein.
have time to mess around. Okay. Let's wait for Javier and Lenny. They're coming down with the horses.
Keep an eye out for any more of the bastards.
Good work, boys. Now, let's tear this place apart. Bill, you go search that wagon there. Mike, search that building. Arthur, you take that building to the left.
Ok, on va devoir fouiller ce bâtiment. Des détonateurs et des explosifs. Ok, attendez, bon, on va déjà commencer par prendre les petites provisions qu'il y a. On peut voir qu'il y a des trucs, un cigare, tabac chiqué, Take Quakers. Un bourbon du Kentucky. Et encore un cigare. Les cigares c'est bien parce que ça fait bien monter le sang-froid ça, quand on les fume. Oh, un porte-monnaie, c'est bon ça, 2 $, putain. Abuse pas quand même, 2 $ quoi.
Here. This looks good. What do you think, Bill?
Looks fine. Smells good.
Come on.
Did we get everything?
Think so, boss. Found this on one of them.
Thank you.
This is perfect.
Oh, yeah? Interesting. This is something about the train they was gonna rob. A Mr. Leviticus Cornwall. Mount back up. Let's keep moving. All right, let's get out of here.
Bah ça y est, on a fini notre petite opération dans le camp des O'Driscoll.
Good work, fellas. Not bad for some starving down and outs. They can pummel us hard as they like, but we will always get back up and fight. That's who we are. Outlaws for life, fellas. Wait until we have John, Mac, Charles, and Sean back riding with us, and I know, they will all be back.
Well, you didn't get Combe, but this hit'll hurt him a lot more than any bullet in the head.
Especially when we rob this train, too.
Yeah, I guess we'll see about that.
Oh, indeed we will.
You know, he'll come after us.
Oh, of course he will, just like all the rest. But we're gonna stay a step ahead of them.
Regardez une longueur.
Make sure we always know where they are before they know where we are. We allowed ourselves to get a step behind in Blackwater. That won't happen again.
Ah ouais, du coup la bande depuis le braquage de Blackwater en fait est traquée par la Pinkerton, qui en fait est une sorte, en fait je crois que c'est le gouvernement même en fait, la Pinkerton. Ce sont des fédéraux.
Hey, you see that fella? Wasn't he at the camp with Combe?
Leave him to me.
All right, we're heading back. Just bring him back alive. He could be useful.
Ah, il y a encore un petit rescapé qui s'échappe. Et on a du coup débloqué le lasso. Et ça c'est bien. Allez. Oh, attends.
You're coming with me.
I'm no use to you, really.
On va le fouiller aussi. Par la même occasion.
Isn't your day, is it?
Come on, I'm
Oh, une montre boostée en argent. C'est pas mal ça. Je crois que ça se vaut une dizaine de $, un truc dans le genre.
You got me mixed up with someone else.
What's your name, boy?
I don't know.
You don't know your name?
It's Kieran.
Kieran what?
Duffy. Kieran Duffy.
Well, I ain't gonna lie to you. This is a real bad day for you, Kieran Duffy.
Where are you taking me?
J'avoue, le mec il était à ça de s'échapper. Après, je sais pas s'il aurait bien survécu longtemps. Tout seul.
Fan you ain't
Dans les montagnes enneigées? J'ai des doutes, hein.
No, please! You're hurting me.
Je te fais mal, oh là là. Oh là là, le gamin, sérieux.
Please, mister.
You better shut your mouth, you little shit, or I will shut it for you.
Oh, take it easy. You're gonna break my ribs. I've only been running with them a couple of months. Have a heart, mister.
Are you trying to test me? Is that it?
Non, t'inquiète, le mec, je vais le déligoter, il va mettre une balle dans le crâne et on n'en parlera plus, bien évidemment.
Okay, okay.
That's 2 bones right there. Here we are, you sack of shit. Let's introduce you to the boys.
On attache bien le cheval parce que regardez à droite là il y a eu un petit plus avec un logo d'une tête de cheval et ça du coup ça prouve que j'ai monté mon affection avec le cheval. Du coup il aura plus d'endurance, il aura plus de santé, il sera plus rapide, il pourra faire plus de mouvements. Et des trucs dans le genre.
Don't hurt me, please.
Oh, don't worry. They're real nice.
Found a little shit, did you?
Yep.
Wow.
Very good. Welcome to your new home. Hope you're real happy here.
You want me to make him talk?
Oh, no, now all we'll get is lies. Uncle, Mr. Williamson, tie this maggot up someplace safe. We get him hungry first. I got a saying, my friend. We shoot fellas as need shooting, save fellas as need saving, and feed 'em as need feeding. We are gonna find out what you need. I can't believe it! An O'Driscoll in my camp!
I ain't an O'Driscoll, mister! I hate that fella!
Oh, whatever you say, son. Well done, Arthur.
I'm just sorry we missed out on Colm.
Oh, there's time enough for that. Now, I gotta figure out if we can hit that train.
Okay.
Et une nouvelle mission terminée de vieux amis. On va faire la mission de Pearson qui est un peu le cuistot de la bande en fait. Et donc s'il n'y a pas de nourriture, pas nous nourrir, bah c'est la merde.
We're okay. We have a few cans of food and a rabbit. For what, 10, 12 people? When I was in the Navy... I do not wish to hear about what you got up to in the Navy, Mr. Pearson. We were stranded at sea for 50 days. And you unfortunately survived. When we ran away from Blackwater, I wasn't able to get supplies in. Well, when government agents are hunting you down, sometimes shopping trips need to be cut short. We'll survive. We always have. If needs be, we can eat you. You're the fattest. I sent Lenny and Bill hunting, and they found nothing. Well, Lenny's more into book learning than hunting. Bill's a fool. Unless those mountains are full of game that want to read, ain't no wonder they found
Enough of this. We'll go find something. Come on, Arthur.
Wait a second. Hold on. Here. You're gonna need something to eat out there. Assorted, salted offal. Starving would be preferable.
Let's go.
You can't go hunting. Look at your hand.
I can't stay here listening to you two. Look, if there's game in those hills, I'll find it. And you can kill it.
You need to rest, Charles.
You think this is rest? Come along. Here, you take this. I can't use it, and you'll have to.
Oh, you're joking.
Use a gun, and we'll scare off every animal for miles around. You're never too old to learn, I imagine. All right, let's head out.
Et donc là, on a obtenu l'arc. Et comme dans le début du jeu, on obtient beaucoup de choses, hein, beaucoup d'armes et tout. Hein.
How are you holding up, Charles?
I'm okay, apart from this hand. Stupid mistake.
Still bad?
It'll be fine in a day or two. I just can't pull.
Et là, regardez les gars, on vient d'augmenter le lien avec le cheval et du coup, il a plus de santé et plus d'endurance, comme vous pouvez voir. Regardez en bas à gauche. C'est les trucs avec les petits. Et bien c'est quoi, enfin. Comment on dit ça là, les trucs, enfin c'est en forme de U, mais. Le truc qu'on utilise pour le lancer de fer là. Vous voyez, il y a ce truc là représenté avec un logo sur les symboles des noyaux de la santé et de l'énergie.
You've had a lot put on you. I wish I could have done more.
I didn't mean it like that. Just a lot to think back on.
I still don't really know what happened on that boat.
Me neither. Well, Javier told me a bit, but it sure weren't good.
Allez, on continue.
See some of the ground uncovered here. Oh, let's look down this way. The wind's died down too.
That's good.
No wind at all is bad, but if it's too strong, they won't move. Now shh, stay quiet.
Yeah. Whoa!
Hey, stop here a second. I see something.
Oh, watch it.
There's deer been here. Recently.
How can you tell?
How can you not?
Bon, pas vraiment, mais bon. C'est évident, il est bien marrant lui. Merde, l'arc, c'est vrai, j'allais l'oublier. Alors, on va s'accroupir pour faire moins de bruit. Et on va chasser une bête. Ok, bon, on va suivre les, on va suivre les traces qu'on voit là.
I think so. Maybe not. Focus.
Donc là, on peut utiliser l'œil de lynx, voilà, qui nous permet de voir bah, le chemin qu'a emprunté un animal. Là, on peut voir, ça brille. Bon, sur la neige, c'est vraiment pas ce qu'il y a de plus évident des fois, mais on arrive à voir, regardez le petit truc qui brille, bah, c'est le chemin, c'est la trajectoire de notre proie. Et notre proie se trouve être juste là-bas. Alors les gars, quand on tend l'arc comme ça là, bah, du coup on est plus précis. Par contre l'énergie baisse à une vitesse, mais voilà quoi, c'est vraiment, ça baisse très vite. Je sais même pas si vous avez vu, mais on va récupérer la flèche. Donc ça nous en fait un. De capturer, enfin d'éliminer. Oh, il y en a d'autres là-bas. La chasse est comme bien plus élaborées dans ce Red Dead Redemption 2. Hein. Contrairement au 1, on va mettre dans la tête celle-ci. Non, je suis une... Oh, je suis vraiment trop nul. Mais non, mais j'ai abusé là. Je sais même pas où elles sont parties mes flèches. Ah, c'est bon, j'en ai trouvé une. Ouais, je suis un rat. Hein. Dès que je balance une flèche, je vais la retrouver moi. Allez là, c'est bon l'autre. Vous savez quoi? On va prendre de la hauteur. Mais il a dit... Ah mais ils ont disparu en fait. Ah ils sont là. Alors là si je le touche pas. Oh, oh non il est pas mort. Attends, faut que j'abrège ses souffrances sinon ça ferait... C'est bon, j'ai abrayé ses souffrances les gars. Je suis pas un sauvage quand même. Il méritait pas de mourir dans tant d'atroces souffrances. On va ramasser son cadavre. Et du coup il va chercher l'autre, lui, c'est parfait. Bon il vient le cheval ou comment ça se passe? Ah il est là.
Ready to head back when you are.
Sure. I just need to finish up here. Careful. Come on then. Let's head back.
Alors, donc là, personne récupère les carcasses d'animaux à le logo de la machette, déposer les y pour contribuer au ravitaillement de la bande. Donc là, personne, il peut même fabriquer quelques trucs. On verra quand. On verra quand on sera arrivé.
Well, maybe our luck's finally on the turn.
Seems to me we should be putting our effort into getting off this mountain now.
Soon. People are still weak, and you've seen how snowed in those wagons are. They ain't going nowhere until we get some more thaw.
You're probably right. And even if we do get off here, what then? We still have a big price on our heads.
This is a big country. We'll find somewhere to lie low. Dutch and Jose will have a plan. You notice how Pearson's had a bottle in his hand ever since we fled Blackwater? We give the camp cook 5 minutes to grab the essentials and go, and he doesn't even bring a crumb of food.
Good that we caught more than one. We've only been up here a few days and have already picked up 2 more mouths to feed.
One more. We ain't feeding the O'Driscoll a damn thing.
Je demande du coup si les gars si on fait la mission là de Pearson avant de faire la mission avec Bill où justement on récupère l'Odriscoll qu'on capture. Est-ce que je pense que les dialogues n'auraient pas été les mêmes? C'est rien que ça, c'est fou quoi putain. Putain il aurait juste dit une bouche de plus à nourrir.
Who knows? Maybe she'll deal with the O'Driscoll for us.
Well, I know who my money's on in that fight. He's weak, but that makes him much more useful. Maybe we can get to them before they get to us.
What is it with the O'Driscolls?
You ain't dealt with them? I suppose. Hell, we ain't run into them much the last 6 months. I guess because they've been over this way.
Yeah. I've heard a lot of talk about them.
Well, we've been scrapping over scores with them for years. Big gang. Nasty sons of bitches. Their leader, Colm, and Dutch go way back. And not in a good way. A proper blood feud.
So I heard.
Oh mon dieu!
Bear up ahead.
Y'a un ours!
Let's see if we can find another way around.
Mais non, on va se le faire l'ours, tu vas voir! Viens! Il a peur? Il a peur? Wow! Wow! Rigolez, non! Oh shit! Oh, il m'a bouffé, mais...
You awake back there? Yeah, just thinking. We ain't ever talked that much, you and me. How long you been with us now? 5, 6 months?
Something like that.
Mais on est où? Attends, mais... Ah, mais ils m'ont passé, en fait. Ah, ils ont sauté, en fait, le moment au du lac, en fait. Ok. Oh, mais comme il m'a mangé à une vitesse. Il m'a mangé d'une... Tel un barbare. Tel un barbare.
Any of this? Blackwater mess? Being up here?
Ah, sooner or later a job's gonna go wrong. Nature of life.
I just thought you might have moved on by now.
You want me to move on?
No, no, not at all. I know you could run it alone, no problem.
I did that for a long time. I'm done with it. Always wondering if someone's gonna kill you in your sleep.
I still wonder that most nights.
I reckon you're okay. This suits me. Sure, I could fall in with another gang, but Dutch... You know, Dutch is different.
Oh, yes. Dutch is certainly different.
He treats me fair. Most of you do. And for a fella with a black father and an Indian mother, that ain't normally the case.
Well, we need you now. More than ever.
Good. And how long have you been with these boys? Why ain't you run off?
Me? Oh, 20 years, something like that. Since I was a boy.
20 years?
Yeah. He taught me to read. John, too. Taught me a few other things, him and Hosea.
Huh. I'm sure.
Dutch saved me. Saved most of us. That's why we need to stick by him through this. He always sees us right.
How's that new horse?
He's all right. He'll do for now. I appreciate you letting me take Taima the other night.
She's a strong one. It's been as hard on the horses as on the rest of us. I don't know what Dutch would do if something happened to the Count.
Oh, watch it. Same with Bill and Brown Jack. He's a drunk, miserable bastard, but he loves that horse.
Huh. I hope they all make it.
I tried to ride the Count once.
Bon les gars, c'est la première fois que voilà, bah, je ratais cette mission. Oh, c'est pas possible quoi de mourir sur cette ours. Même la physique est tellement bien faite sur ce jeu, comment c'est tellement bien fait comment Arthur là il est tombé du cheval.
What a surprise. Find a camp rat loitering around in the kitchen.
Is that any way to greet an old friend? I feel like we haven't spoken for days.
I do my utmost to avoid.
Et là on peut reconnaître l'oncle qui était déjà assez vieux à ce moment-là de l'histoire, en 1899, sachant que Red Dead Redemption 1 se déroule en 1911.
Have a drink, boys. You earned it. Jesus, what is that? Navy rum, sir. It's the only thing. The only thing. Keeps you sane, it does. Yeah, seems to have done a treat on you. You go rest that hand, Charles.
I'll be fine in a few days.
You mind helping me with the skinning, Mr. Morgan? It's easier if we do it together.
Do I get to skin you?
You're always one with the jokes, aren't you? Come on.
This really isn't a job for a man with a burnt hand. I'll see you both later.
You skinned that one, did you? Dumped on the floor there.
Allez. Erreur et dépeçage, là, ça n'a rien à voir avec Red Dead Redemption 1. Là, on voit vraiment, voilà, Arthur en train de... Voilà, quoi, de découper la peau, quoi.
Not too bad, Mr. Morgan. Yeah. They always said you were a butcher. You know, you could trade these or sell these in pretty much any town. If you're looking to make a legitimate bit of money, of course.
Right now, I'm just looking to get off this mountain alive.
Well, if you catch anything else, you bring it to me.
Sure.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan. Heck, Arthur Morgan's first decent bit of hunting after all these years.
Yeah, well, we're on the run now. Everyone's got to do their bit to survive. Just make a good stew. Folk need it. It's been a tough few days. It's been a bad few weeks, but Dutch being Dutch, he is busy making plans, and Dutch being Dutch, those plans involve robbery and dreams. Well, I thought you was reading him his last rites. Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Reverend. You're still here, then?
I owe you.
Yeah. And you'll pay me. But for the moment, just rest.
Arthur, I think it's time for the train.
Want me to come?
Of course I do, but look at you.
I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch.
Don't lie still, son. Hello, Abigail.
Dutch,
Jackie.
the boy wanted to see you, John.
He's seen me now. Or what's left of me. What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of them.
You're a rotten man, John Marston.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it. Now, railway men. Bill, now you ride ahead and set the charge at the water tower just before the tunnel.
Ain't a problem. Why are we doing this? Weather's breaking. We could leave. I thought we was lying low.
Yeah, come on. What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
We're living, Hosea. We're living. Look at me. We're living. Even you. But we need money. Everything we have's in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No. Listen, Dutch, I ain't trying to undermine you. I just want to stick to the plan, which was to lie low, then head back out west. Now, suddenly we're about to rob a train.
What choice have we got?
Leviticus Cornwall's no joke, Dutch.
Who is Leviticus Cornwall?
He's a big railway magnate, sugar dealer, oil man.
Well, how good for him. Sounds like he has more than enough to share.
Dutch!
Gentlemen, it is time to make something of ourselves. Get your horses ready. We have a train to rob.
Allez, on va faire le premier braquage du jeu.
We're moving out. Follow me. Okay, gentlemen, listen up, all of you. According to the information so kindly provided to us by the O'Driscolls, the train will be coming north from Big Valley. We're gonna pick it off after it crosses the border into the Grizzlies. There's a raised spot there that should give us good vantage. Charles, you'll keep lookout for any outriders. How's that hand, by the way?
I'll be fine.
Good. I'll take the driver and engineer, then run point. Lenny and Javier, you two take the front cars, deal with any guards. Arthur and Micah, you head straight for the back. That's what we're after. Mr. Cornwall's private car.
You and me, Morgan. Great. Have you got a problem with that?
Not if you keep your head for once.
You worry about yourself, huh?
Enough. After Bill blows
Je suis en train de s'énerver lui, hein. Il s'énerve tout le temps.
Is everyone clear on what they're doing?
Yep. Crystal.
Yes, boss.
Good. Now come on. Let's ride. snow, finally. Feels good, doesn't it? But we need to get this done fast, now it's thawing, before anyone gets up here after us. Oh, look at you boys. See? This is what I call a crew. Micah Bell, Charles Smith, Arthur Morgan, Javier Escuela, and what about young Lenny here? Always the first man on his horse.
Just happy we're back at him, Dutch.
You sure you're ready for this, kid?
Of course I'm ready.
Just stay calm. Keep your eyes sharp. That goes for all of you. No mistakes. Not again.
So we do this, then we go back to Blackwater to collect.
Allez,
How many times
on va le faire ce braquage.
question, Micah?
That's a lot of damn money to leave sitting for too long.
It would be crazy to go back there now. The place will be swarming with Pinkertons.
We go back when I say we go back, and that's the end of it. The money's safe. You'll just have to trust me. And if the O'Driscolls are right, there'll be a stack of railroad bonds on this.
Et les gars, regardez, là on commence à quitter les paysages enneigés.
Work out how to cash them. Now everyone, shut up and get your mind on the job at hand. Come on. There's the water tower. Hold up here on the ridge. Is Bill there? Yeah. You want to head down? See how he's getting on? Okay.
Alors Bill, waouh. Bon, ils sont tous apparus d'un coup là, j'ai pas compris mais bon. C'est pas grave. Bon alors, comment il se démerde lui?
I'm okay.
You sure?
Of course.
Can I help a little?
All right. Go ahead and set up the detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
Allez, tu découpes.
Okay, this is good.
All right. That should do it. You head back up to the others. I got it from here.
Have to say, I'm rather looking forward to this. Just be ready to move quick and remember the plan. All of you, no mistakes.
Putain mais waouh, ah, faut vraiment qu'on augmente notre dose d'énergie parce que là elle est trop faible en fait. C'est bon, à peine vieux court, il est déjà fatigué Arthur.
What's going on? He says all fine. Everything okay? We'll soon find out. I think so.
J'ai pas pu prendre ma carabine. Non, ma carabine. Oh le con. Oh c'est bon, il me la met automatiquement.
Gentlemen, it's time. Good luck, all of you. You all know what to do.
Here we go. Shit! No!
Ah.
God!
Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Where did you find that moron? You said it was fine.
my fault.
Come on! You're pathetic. You know that?
Dépêchez-vous, on va le louper.
Here we go! Here we go!
Oh le con.
Pull me up! Hey, down here!
I got you. Now stop yelling. Oh, shit. Yeah, you're okay. Now, let's go slow this thing down.
Where's Javier?
He's... Well, the other... will get him.
Let's go.
Je vais faire au-dessus, moi.
Come on, we need to stop this train.
There's another guard up ahead. You want me to take him?
Je m'en charge. On se fait faire au couteau, les gars. Ok, on est repéré. C'est 4 pas ça, dommage.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. What the hell was Bill doing? He had long enough to set that charge.
Well, I hooked up the wire, but we won't mention these sons of bitches.
Wow. Oh, c'est pas moi qui... Son collègue qui lui a tiré dessus. Accident. Oh, il est encore en vie. Là, il est mort.
I'm okay.
J'ai mis un coup de pied. On va en vérifier qu'il soit mort.
I know, just stay calm.
Oh, le lâche. Il se cachait.
I ain't got a clear shot.
Ah, mais il est résistant. Oh, dommage. Dommage qu'il ait pas acheté dans le vide. Ça aurait été plus... Ça aurait été encore... Mais ça aurait été... Enfin, ça aurait été magnifique, quoi.
Look out! Got more coming off the train.
There better be some money at the end of this.
All these bastards must be guarding something. Still okay?
I think so.
Good.
Who is this guy?
Doing good, kid. Where the hell are the others?
Ok, faut faire attention parce qu'ils font vraiment mal.
Gonna get out of this.
Ouais, le tour de vue, y a pas vraiment un système de difficulté contrairement à Red Dead Redemption 1 que j'avais fait en difficile. Hein. En vrai, c'est pas assez, hein, parce que Red Dead Redemption 1 en difficile, t'avais même pas de visée automatique, les ennemis faisaient mal, mais franchement, ça passait grave. Hein. Juste à certains moments, c'était un peu la galère, mais bon.
You two all right?
Yes, let's get the money and go.
We got some fellas holed up in this last car.
Ah, shit.
What are you boys planning on doing in there? Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you. Any more of you. I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Corps.
Come on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay. You asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1. Seems our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little.
Allez les gars, sortez. Vous allez voir s'il va sortir.
Mr. Williamson, give Mr. Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite. You two boys go blow that door open.
Allez.
Now, don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take a step back.
Seems good enough.
Here we go.
Light the fuse.
Unless you got a death wish, I'd step back, fellers.
Ah bah ils descendent hein, étrangement.
Get on up there. Search that train.
Allez là, je vais entrer. Le grand invisible de l'enfer.
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
Well, now I've seen everything. Oh, you two got the safe? I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes. Should be easy as cake.
Allez.
You're just gonna stand there, kid. Pour me some brandy, will ya?
$2000 et tout, ok. 9 novembre 1898.
Jump on that train.
He's keen. I'll give you that.
James Quitchley.
Okay, let's see if we can get this open. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Ha! Ah. There. See? That's how it's done. Shit. Just a pile of papers.
Bonds?
I don't think so. Here. Make yourself useful. At least we all know you can read.
Give me those.
Railroad contracts, invoices,
Oh.
blah, blah, blah.
Un coffre.
Everything.
Not really. Sugar imports from the Spanish West Indies. A lot of sugar. Some fancy new boaties ordered from Europe.
On a trouvé les obligations et ça c'est bien.
Thank God. Come on.
Il y a d'autres trucs à prendre, il y a des liasses de billets. $25, oh c'est pas mal. Je vois pour examiner la carte. Locomotive à vapeur 1814. Le revolver 1836, la machine à écrire 1829. La dynamite 1866. Oh c'est intéressant. Oh c'est bon, 2 secondes. Oh une montre goussée en platine. Oh ça c'est bon. Mais on va tout prendre. Non, la cinématique.
What did you find?
These bonds. They worth anything?
Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily. Well done. Now, would you get rid of all of this?
The train?
Yeah, get it out of here.
What about them?
What do you think?
I don't know.
It's up to you. Kill them, leave them here, take them with you on the train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us.
Okay.
See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on. The rest of you, let's ride!
Bon, puisque moi je vais avoir un bon honneur, je vais pas les tuer.
Okay. Get on the train. Quick. All of you. Any bright ideas, I kill all 3 of you. So behave. Come on! Move!
We won't tell a soul.
Monte!
Said quick.
Oh putain, le mec, je lui dis de monter, il veut pas monter quoi.
Footstep from this car. You'll end up like all your friends out here.
For Lord's sake, put that book away and go help. Oh, Mary Beth.
So, we getting out of this hellhole?
We're gonna try. Weather seems stable.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you, we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able to hide out there no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything else. Arthur, you're in that one. Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk about the good old days and what's gone wrong with old Dutch. Lenny! Micah, get over here!
Yes, boss.
You two ride up ahead, make sure there's no surprises. We've had enough of those.
Me? With the boy?
Just go.
Come on, kid. You can buy me a whiskey.
Et voilà les gars, on a enfin quitté les montagnes.
Get us out the stream. Gotta keep us moving, but calm.
Ah, shit!
Bah c'est bien ça.
Let's take a look.
You all right back there? Does everything look all right?
Well, what's going on?
Ah, I broke the goddamn wheel.
All right, let's get it fixed.
You need help?
I reckon we can handle it. All right, Charles, you and me hold the thing up while you try and put the wheel back.
Allez, on va réparer la roue.
Strong enough to hold up a wagon?
Shut up.
I'm just saying.
Well, say less. Pick the wheel up.
Allez, fixe-moi bien ça.
There, there. There.
See? You ain't so useless after all.
Not quite.
What do you think?
If they wanted trouble, we wouldn't have seen them.
Poor bastards. We really screwed them over down here. Come on, let's not push our luck.
What happened?
Well, get in. I'll tell you. Not too far now. Stay on this trail. We'll follow the river, then cut left inland. So, yes, the Indians in these parts got sold a very raw deal. This is the heartlands we're going to. Good farming and grazing country, they lost it all. Stolen clean away from them it was, every blade of grass. Killed or herded up to the reservations in the middle of nowhere.
And how's that different from anywhere else?
Well, maybe it's not. I just heard some of the army out here was particularly unpleasant about it.
Unpleasant? How do you rob and kill people pleasantly? We don't, in spite of Dutch's talk.
I fear I was perhaps trying to simplify something more complicated for the benefit of our block-headed driver here.
Hey, don't blame it on me. Never forget, this here's a con man, Charles, born and bred. Just 'cause it sounds fancy don't mean he knows a damn thing about what he's talking about. Yeah.
Ah là, 2018 c'est quand même une sacrée année, hein. C'était une sacrée année pour le jeu vidéo quand même.
I don't even know if I have one. At least, not that I can remember. My father was a colored man. He told me he lived with our people for a while. A number of free men did, but when we were forced to move from our lands, the three of us fled. I was too young to really remember much. My whole life I've been on the run. A couple years later, some soldiers captured my mother. Took her somewhere. We never saw her again. We drifted around. He was a very sad man, and the drink had a mean hold on him. Around 13, I just took off on my own.
That was about the age we found young Arthur here. Maybe a little older. A wilder delinquent you never did see. But he learned fast.
Not as fast as Marston, apparently.
Wait, I don't understand. What's the problem between you two?
Arthur?
It's a long story. Yeah. We still heading the right way?
Oh, les musiques dans ce jeu sont juste incroyables, tellement de souvenirs.
No. Are we heading in the correct direction on our desperate escape from the law eastwards down the mountains? Yes, I believe so.
You know this area?
A little. I've been through a couple of times. There's a livestock town not too far from here called Valentine. Cowboys, outlaws, working girls, our kind of place.
The Driscolls?
Probably them too.
Pinkertons?
Let's hope not.
And this place we're going. Wait, what's it called again?
Horseshoe Overlook.
It's a good place to lie low?
It'll do for now. And how low do you think Dutch is really going to lie? It's just, you know, maybe it's me who's changed, not him, but...
Ah mais c'était à gauche.
We kept telling him that ferry job...
Je suis endormi, excusez-moi.
You and me had a real lead in Blackwater that could have worked out.
Maybe.
It just isn't like Dutch to lose his head like that.
Things go wrong sometimes. People die. It's the way it is. Always has been. Me, you, Dutch. We've all been in this line of work a long time. And we're still here, so... I figure we must have got it right a hell of a lot more than we got it wrong. What are you working on there, anyway?
Just some yarrow and ginseng. Good for the health. Better than that stuff you buy in the store. Yeah, you can have all this. I'm at the point where I can do it with my eyes closed.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Ah voilà, on peut enfin accélérer.
There you are, brother. Head in there. Follow the track for a bit.
Thanks.
Hey, slow up. I'll jump on.
Yep.
Here we are, gentlemen. Home sweet home.
You weren't wrong, Hosea. This place is perfect.
I hope so.
Gentlemen, we have survived.
For now.
Now, it is time to prosper.
Arthur and I were about to prosper in Blackwater. We were onto something big. Then Micah got you all excited about that ferry, and here we are.
We have all made mistakes over the years, Hosea. Every last one of us. But I kept us together. Kept us alive. Kept the nooses off our neck.
I guess I'm just worried. I ain't got that long, Dutch. I want folks safe before I go.
Me too.
And now we are stuck. East of the Grizzlies and out of money. and a long way from our dream of virgin land in the west.
I know, my brother, but we are safe. We make a bit of money here, then we move again, head out around them, be west of Uncle Sam, in a few months, buy some land.
I hope so.
Would you just look around you? This world has its consolations.
Gentlemen, I'm going to head into the local town and, you know, see if I can strike up a little business.
Of course, Herr Strauss. I prefer robbing banks to usury. Seems more dignified somehow. Now, everyone, put your tools down for a moment. Come on, gather round. Quickly now. I know that things have been tough, but we are safe now, and we are far too poor. So it is time for everyone to get to work.
Get to work, but stay out of trouble. Remember, we are itinerant workers.
Laid off when they shut down our factory to the north. Now get out there and see what you can find. Uncle, Reverend Swanson, no more passengers. It is time for everyone to earn their keep.
There is a town a little way down the track named Valentine. Livestock town, all mud and morons, if I remember right. That seems a decent place to start.
And, we need food. Real food. That means every day. One of you.
And remember, whatever it is that you find, the camp gets its slice. Now be sensible out there.
Now, the girls have your tent ready, Mr. Morgan. Come with me. You two will be ready shortly. We put you over here.
I'm sure everything will be fine, Miss Grimshaw.
It should be. Most of your stuff from Blackwater got saved.
Everything apart from my money.
Oh, don't remind me.
Well, we can always make more money.
We're gonna have to. Miss Jackson, I've seen shit with more common sense than you. Do it properly.
Got off the mountain, rode east into some pretty enough country called the Heartlands. Ain't been this far east in many a year. Dutch seems a little better. His eyes are sparkling once more, and I can see he's thinking a little clearer. I think we all feel a little happier, in spite of Blackwater and that whole mess.
Arthur?
Jose?
Quite a day.
Let's hope so.
There's a bunch of the boys already in Valentine. Bill, Charles, and Javier. And Swanson found something down at the train station by the lake, apparently. And Strauss came back with that creepy little smile on his face. I'm sure there's a whole list of unfortunates he's forced money upon.
Thank you. And you?
I'm gonna read a book.
Et ben les gars, je crois que c'est la fin de ce premier épisode. J'espère qu'il vous aura plu. Du coup on aura découvert tout le premier chapitre de Red Dead Redemption 2 qui se déroulait dans les montagnes. Et là c'est vraiment là qu'en fait que le vrai jeu commence maintenant. Parce que là maintenant on est vraiment libre pour pouvoir explorer cette immense map qui s'offre à nous en fait. Et donc moi je vous dis à la semaine prochaine pour le prochain épisode du Let's Play.